Welcome to today's review of the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle 555 Big Block. This classic muscle car is a true icon, blending style, power, and a rich history that enthusiasts love. Let's dive in and take a closer look at what makes this beast so special. First up, the exterior. The 1970 Chevelle exudes a raw, aggressive presence, and this silver paint job only enhances that. The smooth, sleek body lines are timeless, with a hint of muscle, especially with the iconic hood bulge that hints at the power under the hood. The chrome accents on the grille, bumpers, and around the windows give it that polished vintage feel. The aggressive stance, with those wide tires and bold rear end, makes it clear this car means business. Step inside and the interior doesn't disappoint. The cabin screams 1970s muscle with its simple yet purposeful design. The black vinyl seating is comfortable, offering a no-nonsense driving experience. The dashboard, complete with classic gauges and a large steering wheel, places you right in the heart of muscle car history. The layout is all about function, with everything you need within easy reach. It's a throwback to when driving was all about the thrill, without the distractions of modern-day electronics. Now, let's talk about what's really important: performance. The 555 Big Block engine is a powerhouse, making this Chevelle a force to be reckoned with on the road. With a monstrous 555 cubic inches under the hood, this car isn't just about looks. It packs a serious punch, delivering incredible acceleration and an unforgettable exhaust note that every gearhead will appreciate. Whether you're cruising or flooring it, the power is always there and the ride is smooth, thanks to the suspension designed to handle that kind of force. The 1970 Chevelle isn't just about looking fast, it is fast. As for prices, well, the 1907 Chevrolet Chevelle 555 Big Block is a rare gem today. Depending on condition and modifications, you can expect to pay anywhere between $40,000 and $80,000 for one. It's a significant investment, but when you factor in the heritage and performance, it's well worth it for collectors and enthusiasts alike. That's a wrap on our review of the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle 555 Big Block. If you're into classic muscle cars with heart-pounding performance and that unmistakable 70s flair, this one's definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your thoughts on this legendary ride.